Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 308 SW. This car comes with a really lovely specification. You've got satellite navigation along with the DAB digital radio with Bluetooth for your mobile phone. You've also got this lovely panoramic sunroof above my head, as well as dual zone climate control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.